Good morning, my amazing students. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today we're gonna review our sight words and we're gonna learn about blending words, okay? Blending words is when you put two letters together, they make a sound together, okay? They work together to make a sound, okay? But let's review our sight words for today. We have where, we have got, we have take, we have the word to, we have the word put, okay? And now to review our blending words, remember these are two words, two letters that when they put together, they blend. For example, we have the B and an R, okay? We say brr. For an example, for the blending word, we have bread. We have a squishy little friend, and this starts with the BR family. Bread. Okay, let's see. Now we're gonna do our other family, blending family. We have now, let's see which one we have right now. We have a G and an L. Okay. What words start with a G and an L? We have g, like for example, we have globe. We have globe. So we will write G, L, O, B, E. Globe. Okay, and this is our globe. Okay, our next blending word, we can use a C, L, clue. What words do you think start with C and an L? Close. Let's see the other. Here we go. They're falling everywhere. We have a clock. Okay, clock. And we write C-L-O-C. Okay, and now we have another blending word, which is B and an L. What? Blue. We have, let's see what do we have? We have a block. Let's see, B-L-O-C-K, block. And the first blending word is block. Okay, let's see which other one we have. Now we have F-R. What words can start with F-R? For, let's see. Here we go. Frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Okay, let's see what other blending sounds can we come up with. We have a T, R, tr. What do you think we have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. train. Train. Choo choo. Train. Train. We have T-R-A-I-N. Train. Let's see which other blending sound can we come up with. Let's see, how about st, 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 S and a T. St, 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 star. We have a star. We have a happy star. St, st, star. Star. And we have a happy star. What other words can start with ST? St, st. Can you guess of a word? Stay. So what we have, we learned BR for bread. We have GL, globe. We have CL for clock. BL, block. We have FR for frog. We have TR, terrain. And we have ST for star. And now we have a special little guest that wants to be in our video, okay? What's your name? Can we put it here? Oh, he went away. But let's show him again, okay? Let me see. And 3. Look, it's our little birdie. And he's saying bye-bye to you guys. I miss you. Be safe. Take care. And listen to your mom and dad. And I hope you learn a lot. And he's on top of my camera. So have an amazing day. I miss you guys. Bye-bye.